Okay, this is the final episode, I think, of getting Alice to run again. The abandoned mower, I've got her put all back together. I have not put this little vanity cover back on yet, but I'll do that later. I just wanted you to see what this one is. It's a Craftsman 625 series. It's got the large crankshaft, by the way. 190 cc, 6.25 gross torque. And now this thing had been cranked in about 10 years, so it may smoke when I first pull it. And I'm gonna just prime it twice because I got the primer bulb working really good. If it doesn't fire on the first one, I'll prime it 2 more times. And so this is always exciting after these mowers are sat for years, and the first time you pull the cord and they crank up and run like it you just brought it home from the store. So let me go put the phone in the holster and we'll crank her up. There we go. All right, we got her going. I may do a couple more things to this mower. I'm going to check the blade. I put a universal blade on there, and I will check that again. I mean, it's definitely usable and runs good and cuts grass. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video series on saving Alice.